Hello folks, we're back and I've placed several walls here. Okay, this area is going to be like a workout area. These are going to probably be bathrooms, and this is going to be a shower area, and this is going to be the men's and women's locker, and over here. So let's just go in here and let's see. Over here we'll have an elevator, and these are going to be baths, and we're going to get a kitchen in here. I think that's what they wanted. So I'm going to just place some doors here. Actually, let's do some dimensions. We know all of our magical dimensioning tools that we've been using here. So let's go and let's say align dimension. And I'm going to go with wall faces here. Okay. And then here I'm going to say entire walls. I'm going to look at my options there and intersecting walls. Okay. I'm going to go here. Now we got some numbers here that I really wouldn't like to use, but we can play with those. I'm going to just undo that for now. So from here to here, we've got, okay, I'm going to turn the entire walls off for now. I don't know, we might leave it on and just play around with it. We want to move this guy, or say, let's make this dimension 16 feet. Okay. We kind of like to have a nice round number, you know what I mean? So let's make this one, what do we got? Let's make him 28 feet or 29 feet here. Okay. And for this one, our corridor, this is going to be a little corridor, and we're going to go through here, through the gym. This is, okay, so let's go get it in here. It's going to be a door here. So let's make this, go ahead and make this guy, make him 12 feet. And there. So we have some dimensions to start with, and then let's go and see what we got here this way. Oh, turn that off. I want to go into visual references now, and I'm going to go from here to here, and then see what we got here. Okay, so here, let's change this one to, let's just make it 12 feet. And as well as this one here, another 12 feet. Okay, so we want to go through here and annotate this, dimension this out. That room is going to be the shower, so we can kind of play around with it, and then we want to go out here. There, okay, make this 12 feet as well. So this is our first level so far, and then I'm going to just add some doors here, and then I'm going to finish this off. Now you got some dimension here, and then let's go from here to say here. Go see how far we got in here. 59 feet. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go and delete these now, and I should be able to do individual wall faces. Yep, so we're going to go here. Let's grab these guys. Right click. Delete. Okay, now I want to go and measure these walls this way. I'm going to go with the entire walls. Okay. Now, actually, we want to do this later on, just giving you guys an idea of the floor layout here. So I'm going to add some doors, and then I'm going to drop this video and go ahead and finish it. Door here. So we want to get a door here into the shower. and it's going to be going that direction. Another one here. I actually want to put that door there. And I'm going to move this guy over here. Okay, might want to move a little bit more there. Okay. And then we want an entry door here. So to get the entry door, let's go get a big one. So let's go with insert for the load family. From the cloud now. Okay, there we go. So I'm going to look for doors here. Doors. Search. Okay. They got a lot of new details here. Okay, so for door, exterior double door, we'll take this guy here, I think. Yeah, this is a nice one. I'll load that in. And we got our type, specified type, so we want to go with the big one here. Okay, and we'll place it in there right there. Okay, there we go. Okay, so going to add a few more doors and things here, and then I'll see you guys back in the next video. I just want to get you started still so we can see what's going on here. To get our doors in, we might go another one there. Then we got to go here, and let's just go with our type selected here. And we can go grab this door and place one there. We'll get one there. Bathroom doors here, here. And then we're gonna work out our kitchen and everything going on in this guy. So I'm gonna leave it there for now. This is gonna be our elevator, and I'll figure this out over here. So I'm gonna leave it there for now. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. See you guys be soon. Everybody be safe. Bye.